ideas that can be shaped into the most profitable business ventures? As entrepreneurs ourselves, we understand the difficulty of developing an idea that can potentially make you a millionaire or a billionaire. So we have done the legwork with the help of SimilarWeb and Alexa to come up with the 15 web app development ideas that will rule the market in the forthcoming days. Let's dive into a list of 15 web app ideas for beginners. Virtual reality based travel app. Now, as COVID-19 has imposed several limitations on travel activities, it is the right time to launch a VR-based web app that allows people to visit new places virtually without leaving their safe premises. A virtual assistant that works online. As AI and machine learning have evolved, mobile and web applications have developed their own minds. Nowadays, virtual assistants like Google Assistants, Alexa and Siri are becoming common buzzwords in every second house. Machine learning based Astro app. As the culture's most important element, astrology has always been the focus of attention. Mobile apps now have astrological power thanks to machine learning. You can also build a machine learning based astrology app to make a profit from this lucrative industry. Blockchain based medical support system. Storing patients' medical storage is always a great challenge. It is possible to store your patient's data in a safe manner using blockchain technology. To increase your knowledge of blockchain technology, click on the I button. Crime Alert Web App. What about a web app where users can share their crime stories just like they share posts on social media? It will help a lot of people to find out what crime is taking place around them. AI-based picture transition app. A web app that allows you to translate text written over images in a language you understand. Seems interesting, right? With the help of AI, this idea could become a reality. An app to tell what's trending. Having a website that keeps you informed about things happening around you and what impacts these things are causing on human lives will definitely bring the attention of millions of curious people. Employee orientation and training web application. The success of any company depends on the trained and skilled employees it has. So, companies are making every single effort to train their employees. Launch employee orientation and training web apps to assist those companies and make passive income. Find a co-founder web app. Lots of people are looking for their ideal business partners, the same as the matrimonial or dating website. So why don't we create a web app for such ideas to help entrepreneurs find other entrepreneurs who hold the same interest just like they do? AR-based app for interior designing. Designing the interior of the home has always been a dream for many of us. Besides being thrilling, this is a confusing task. With the aid of an AR-based interior designing app, you can try different designs on your home walls to figure out which one would look great. AR-based car app. The aid of understanding every single detail of a car before making a purchase will provide a great adventure in choosing a car that makes the budget and luxury of the car of the buyer perfectly. AR-based real estate app. The use of augmented reality in real estate app development will help people to visualize how their dream house will look like. To know more about the usage of augmented reality in a real estate, click on the I button. Small scale high frequency algo trading app for retailers. Purchasing the asset at the bid price and selling it at the asking price seems like a highly profitable idea. Now, the advancement in the technology can help you achieve this goal. All you need to do is invest in small-scale, high-frequency web app development and ensure profitable trading on your own terms. AI and machine learning-based portfolio management app. With the help of AI and machine learning, you can build a web app that manages various investments with the twin goal of maximizing the return and reducing the risk. Message Aggregator app. All-in-one app. Imagine you have a single place where all your messaging apps are combined. This will draw the attention of a lot of people for sure. So there are some of the best web app development ideas you can trust to gain market momentum and generate huge revenue. Softech is one of the leading web app development companies you can approach to bring any of the above mentioned web app development ideas into a feasible product. Have you enjoyed exploring these 15 great web app ideas? If yes, subscribe to our channel to stay updated with such information. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thanks for watching.